Slime has gone too far. He's eating me now. Soon my body's gonna become perfect. Now I'm gonna be a slime. But I do have a little bubble right here. Here, let's get a closer look.
You're right, Mommy. I like this one.
It's cool though, but
It's a rusty treehouse though.
no. Okay, now I'm stuck into a fist.